Good morning guys, and welcome to today's video on GCSE AQA Foundation Tier part 4 out of 4 series. Right guys, this video was recorded on Sunday the 25th of October 2020. Right guys, this is the last video for the paper 2 calculator paper. So it's paper 2 June 2017 calculator paper. Okay, the next set of videos will look at paper 3. Okay, if you're new to my channel, thank you for clicking on my video. My name is Abdallah Wahishi and I'm a recently qualified maths teacher for secondary and primary. I'm currently doing walkthroughs to the GCSE spec for AQA, OCR and EdXL for anyone sitting exams in November 2020 due to exams being cancelled with the pandemic of coronavirus and COVID-19 earlier on this year. Okay, if you found this useful guys, please do subscribe, drop the video a like, and turn on post notification by pressing the bell icon. Okay, but let's get on straight into the video today guys. Right guys, so question 1 actually, right, so this is just a quick start to the video that I made a mistake actually. So the answer to question 1 should be meters and not kilometers. Okay, so that is that part there. Okay, like I said actually, the next set of videos after this video we'll look at paper 3 June 2017 calculator paper. And then my last message is we've now got roughly 2 weeks give or take until your November exams, in November this year. Make sure to check out the channel OnMaths. I will leave a link of that in the description below. So go and check that out actually, and check out Primrose Kitten and the GCSE Maths tutor and also Corbett Maths, because they're all very good guys. Okay. Right guys, this is question 8D. It says why might the shortest walking distance from cinema to the station be greater than your answer in part C? And then my answer is you might not be able to walk in straight lines as there are buildings in the way. Okay, so this was 8D. So this was one of the questions that was missed on the previous previous video. Okay, so on the first video. Okay. Right guys, this is question number 19. Okay, right guys, in today's video actually, yeah, so what I've done is I've put the work solutions, so I might not do much talking actually, but I'll try to summarize each question and give like a brief overview, but the solutions are there for each question. So what I will do is I will spend a minute on each question and then I'll move slides. Okay, so this one we were looking at bank statements and you were asked to fill here and here. Okay, so debt means that debit means that I'm going to minus, credit means that I add. Okay, so this, take away this to work out this part here, and then to work out this part here, it was this, add this to work out this. Okay, so credit means that I add and debit means that I minus. Okay, so that was question number 9 for 2 marks. So 1 mark for this and 1 mark for this. Right guys, question number 12. Okay, so we've got Lee sells ice cream, so we've got scatter graphs. The table shows the midday temperature and his sales for 5 days. So day 1, day 2, day 3. Okay, so this is our table. Okay, so he draws this scatter graph and line of best fit. Okay, write down 2 mistakes. So firstly, line of best fit is not drawn accurately. So line of best fit should be drawn like this. Okay, so it's not drawn accurately. It should look something like that. Probably a bit better than that, but yeah, something similar to that. And then his day 3 earnings was £80, but then he put 60. So if you look here, day 3 earnings was 17, but then he put 60 instead of 80. So the points should have been there instead. So they were his 2 mistakes. Right guys, question 12b. It says Lee wants to work out the range of the 5 temperatures. His calculation is 13 minus 20 is 10. Is he correct? Take a box for your answer. So I put no, the answer is 17 actually, because 30 there, so that's my biggest. And then that's my smallest. Okay, so the range should be 30, take away 13, which is 17. Okay, so that one should be 17. Okay, so the range is 17. Okay, part C, guys. The table shows Lee's costs. Ingredients 15% of sale. Fuel is £7. Work out his total profits. Total profits is income minus expenditure. Money in versus money out. Money in is this, so adding all the figures. So this plus this plus this plus this plus this on the vertical axes. Okay, ingredients. So that is a cost. Okay, so that's money out. And then that's also money out. Okay, 7 times 5 because it's fuel per day, so it's 5 days. 35. Total profit is £526. So that is my answer for there, guys. Right, guys, question number 18. It says Ellen works for a company that sells cars. Her monthly pay is a salary of £1,470. 28% of the total profits that she makes from her sales. Okay, a £250 bonus if she sold at least 15 cars. The table shows information about the cars sold last year. So total cost of the company was this. Total income was this. Number of months that she sold 15 cars was 3. So that means that her bonus would be 750 because 250 times 3 is 750. Oh, sorry. 750. Okay, so this is 1 year salary. Okay, so the question says, was Ellen's total pay for the year more than 40,000? You must show your workings. Okay, so these are all my workings, guys. So 1 year salary is this. Profit made from sales was this, take away this. So it's 73,500. 28% of that was 20,580, and the bonuses was 750. So total earnings was this plus this plus this. So this part doesn't actually count because that is the profit made, but we are just talking about her pay. So the profit doesn't actually count as part of her pay. 17,000 plus that, I get 38,970, which is less than 40,000. Therefore, she's incorrect. Okay, question 19, guys. Ben and Katy throw darts at target. Ben's ratio of hits to misses is 5 to 1. Okay, Katy's ratio of hits is 3 to 1. Ben says 5 is bigger than 3, so I must have more hits than Katy. Give an example to show that she's not true. Well, what I've done here is I've put it as a fraction. So Ben has 5 hits and 1 miss. Katy has 3 and 1. So far that is correct. What I did was convert this to 6 to 2. So now Katy has 6 hits and 2. However, 6 is bigger than 5. So that shows that statement isn't true. So this 6 here is bigger than this 5 here. So therefore, that contradicts my statement about having Ben having more throws than Katy, because in this context, Katy has more than Ben. Right, guys, question number 21. Okay, so Eva thinks that she can save water by having a shower instead of a bath. Eva showers uses 10.8 litres per minute for the last 8 minutes. Eva assumes that the water in her shower and the bath is the shape of a cuboid. So this is what I'm given. Part A says, use the assumption worked out to work out the number of litres saved by having a shower instead of a bath. Okay, so volume of a cuboid. So volume is length times width times height. So this times this times this, and I get 192,500 centimeters cubed for the volume. Okay. I would then divide that by 1,000 to convert centimeters cubed into liters. Okay, so dividing it, and I get 192.5 liters for the bath. Okay. For the shower, 10.8 times 8, so shower okay, is 10.8 times 8, which is 86.4 litres. So 86.4 litres. Okay. This number, take away this number, gives me the leftover amount, which is 106.1 litres. Okay, so that is the amount that is saved. For part B, guys, a shower shows the water level, a shower's water level before it even gets into the bath. So B shows the cuboid in an empty bath. What does this tell you about the information the water saved? Well, this is so it's greater than the amount that we saved. So the answer is it is greater than the amount we saved. So it is greater than the amount saved. Than the amount saved. So sorry about my handwriting there, guys, but the sentence should say it is greater than the amount saved. Okay. Right, guys, question number 23. Lily goes for a car journey. For the first 30 minutes, her average speed is 40 miles per hour. She then stops for 15 minutes. She then completes the journey at an average speed of 60 miles per hour. The total journey time is 1 hour. Okay, so draw a distance time. Okay, so I've put this on the last slide. Okay, work out the average speed. Average speed is total distance over total time taken. Well, total distance is actually 35 miles divided by total time, which is 1 hour, and it's 35 miles per hour. Okay, so average speed is total distance over the total time taken. Right, guys, question number 29. Okay, so use trigonometry to work out the length x. So I've worked it out here. So we've got an angle of 72, length x, and a height of hypotenuse, which is 8. Okay, so using SOHCAHTOA, so we've got opposite and hypotenuse and an angle. So sine 72 is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is x over 8. Sine 72 times 8 is equal to x. X is equal to 7.6 centimeters to 1 decimal place. So that is my answer to question number 29, guys. Okay, to 1 decimal place. Okay, so make sure that you remember this for your exam, guys. So SOHCAHTOA, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is opposite over adjacent. Right, guys, okay, so this is just a quick slide to say good luck for your studies and your revision over half term. Okay, I will be here every step of the way, guys. Any questions or queries, put it in the comment section or drop me an email for any extra support with your maths. Okay, good luck in the coming days, guys, yeah, and in the coming weeks ahead. Okay, so I will be here supporting you guys and make sure that everything goes well. Okay, the next set of videos, like I said, will be on paper 3. Okay, and then I'll be looking at moving to doing more papers as well, okay, this week. Okay, any questions or queries, then put it in the comment section, guys. I hope it was all clear and I hope it all made sense. This is the answer to the distance time question. So 0 to 35 in 20 minutes, stopped for 15 minutes or 10 minutes, and then back up to 60 here. Okay, so it should look something like this, okay? Oops. But yeah, so it's a straight line. So to 30. Okay, so yeah, it should be here, sorry, and not there. So 30 should be there. And then 30 to 45 is 15 minutes. So there we go. So 15-minute wait, and then it's from 45 to 60. Okay. So that is my answer. Okay, that is a copy of the scatter graph from their first question. And then that is one of the questions when we looked at volume of 3D shapes. So question 21, and then that was, I believe, question 12 for that one. And then this one was question 23. Okay, so they are my work solution, guys. Okay, so I hope it made sense, guys. Okay, and I hope it was clear. Okay, the next slide here is just a walkthrough of question 21 again. Okay, so this is my work solutions to question number 21, guys. Okay, so I hope it made sense and I hope it was clear. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and I will see you soon.